Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to open a business bank account in your Burkina Faso. So let's get started. So here I will just go at here google.com and I will directly search for top business bank account in your Burkina Faso. Okay, so here we can see. So here we have the list. So the first bank is just Central Bank of Western African States. Then we have a Bank of America. Then we have our Bentoke, Atlantuke, Burkina Faso, and others. So in this video, I am going to show you how to open a bank account in your Central Bank of Western African States. So I will just go to their website. Okay. So from here at the right side, you have these states. So I will just select here Burkina Faso. Okay. So here we have Burkina Faso. So I will be directly seeing their address. So you have to go to their branch, okay, the main branch, and from there you have to apply for the uh, for your business bank account. So when you will just apply, you should have a minimum age of 18 and you should be able to prove that you have a legal business, and some paperwork will be required. And if you have a partner, you have to go with your partner, and other things will be required. So this is how to open a business bank account in your Burkina Faso. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.